I gotta go. You put your paw there. I gotta go.
Hey.
Someone say this, that's all about you. Say this, like you to the So.
Grandma, you're not supposed to stop.
What?
You're not supposed to stop.
Oh, okay. Yes, you're good.
You don't have to go home. We're just going outside, go potty. You don't have to go home. We're gonna go out, go potty real quick.
I have my hands on you, so it's there. I got it. I won't leave you anymore, honey. I will never leave you
Okay.
No. Oh, God, no.
Oh, my God.
That's so sad. Oh, buddy, you're so sad.
110-pound baby.
Why are you sitting on the edge like that?
Because she's old.
And what are you?
I know I'm old. She don't know she's old.
You don't get this excited to come to my house.
Come here, let's go. You gotta go to your bed.